Hey guys, welcome back to Tay's Science Lab. So today we're making crystals. Oh, I know Brittany would like this one.
Yes, she very much would. Alright, so we have some different powders here that will make whichever set of crystals that we choose. So
We have some bag rocks.
yeah, as well. And again, depending on what kind of packs you get, they generally come with all the stuff you need. First we need to pick what kind of crystals we are going to make.
So we can make 3, can't we?
Yes.
I want frosty diamond.
That'd be pretty cool. And I like blue, so I'm going to go with the aquamarine blue.
And I reckon we go with ruby red.
Ruby red?
Yeah.
Yep, alright. So we'll move these other ones to the side.
And we might have a chance to do them later on in the series.
Yes, true.
So, hot water.
Yeah. Once again, safety first.
Yes. So
And read the instructions.
yes, read the which I'm bad at. That's why I've got my assistant here
Yes.
to read.
That's why I'm here. So, choose your desired crystals. We've done that. And then you need to get some hot water, which is what you're going to mix the crystal powders with. So we'll get that.
And
And
we'll be right back.
yeah. So first, you grab your
Powder.
powder.
You put all of it I want.
No, you put all of it, but maybe on these bottles you have a little line, so that little section under the line you leave for later on.
There.
Yeah. It says to leave 1/8.
Okay.
So yeah, it says to leave 1/8 of the powder in the bottle, so just make sure you do that. So the majority of it would go in your little containers here. Well, a bit more can go in. And you leave your other last bit there.
Yep.
So now you need,
Hot water.
yes,
Be careful when you're doing hot
yeah,
water.
so you need about 34 mils to all of these. They all require the same amount of water. And yes, the water does need to be hot. Specifically, in the instructions, it says 65 degrees.
And when you stir it, I'm pretty sure. Hot water.
Number 2.
Oh, that's a pretty colour. And make sure it's all dissolved. And that's what it says in the instructions, so you just keep stirring it around until...
And hot water number 3.
Oh, that's a pretty colour. That's still not all mixed.
It might take a while for the powder to dissolve, but that's alright.
Okay.
So once they've dissolved, you just gotta wait for the liquid to cool, so
We'll be right back.
yeah.
Okie dokie.
Okay. Now, we're back. The water's cooled down a little bit and we realised we improvised a little bit too much. So what you gotta do is, generally you'd only pick one sort of crystal that you want to do and then leave these 2 other little trays for the next steps. But again, we've improvised and we've got our other little containers for it, and we'll show you what to do next. So yep, Tay's got a little bag of rocks that the pack also provides, and then you will equally spread them out across your 3 bits. If you want, you can get your own rocks from your own backyard that are a bit bigger. Just make sure you wash them first. Alright, so now, one second. Yep, so now we will take our liquid with the powder in it and pour them over the rocks. Because diamonds are made out of coal, which is black. True. If you've got any little bit of powder that didn't dissolve, feel free to add that in there too. That's a nice red colour. Now you're also meant to take note of when you've added the mixture to the rocks, so...
There's a thing in the box. Yeah.
So in this case, this pack came with a little table for you to write down the time and date that you have put the mixture in with the rocks. Which today it is, while we're filming this, the 2nd of September, and it's approximately 1:40 in the afternoon. So yeah, now that those are in with the rocks, we will add what's left of the other powder in with this mixture on top of the rocks.
Sure. Sweet.
Yeah.
So now that's done.
So now we are going to move these into a spot where I guess the temperature in the room doesn't change, so we'll just put these away in the corner. You can leave them without covering them up, and you got to leave them for... You can check on them every few hours, but the best way to do it is if you leave it for a couple of days, so that's what we're going to do, and
we will see you soon.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching. We'll see you back here in a couple of days, which will just be like 2 seconds for you.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll see you soon. Alright. And we're back. It has been 6 days. And the crystals have
Kind of worked.
somewhat crystallized. Not very good because we didn't let the
Powder kind of dissolve enough, I'm guessing, but you can see kind of the diamond one worked quite well. Got some good crystallization there. The red one especially, I reckon we just didn't let it dissolve enough, but you can still see around the base that it's got some crystals on it, and some of the rocks still have a little bit.
and the blue one
Kind of
worked.
got some shards in there.
There's some nice crystals on that ones.
This one especially got some few good ones on it.
So there's that one. So yeah.
Yeah, you can do these on bits of string as well. Those ones can tend to look pretty cool.
Which we might do in the future.
Yes, let us know down below if you do want that.
So yeah.
That's crystals.
That is crystals. Unfortunately they didn't work out as good as what the box looks.
Yes.
I was hoping that they looked like
At
the
least
box.
one of them would kind of look like that.
But always make sure you read instructions.
Yes.
And if you want to see any more like of the crystals, we can do some more. So
Yeah.
give a comment below, and we will see you all next time.
Bye.